Here we go. Let's go ahead and just preemptively lock the front diff, because when you lock it, the visco lock clutches can't slip, and it seems to be better for it. Just lock it in all the way. The power steering is so good, you can actually still steer pretty easily with the diff fully locked. I'll be pulling weeds out for a week after this. It's actually pushing all these weeds. It's like making them flow. Very few belt drives have the low-speed tire turning ability like this. Good clutching and better gearing. And of course, these tires are freaking amazing. They're literally just paddling on weeds. Hilarious. Throttle control is key here. If you spin too much, you just sink. We're actually up on top of the weeds. God, I love these tires. You need to pull up on top of the weed like that. That's what you want. Uh-oh. I think I punched through. I let it spin a little too fast. Let's see if we can work it on out of here. There isn't much of a bottom once you punch through the weeds. Yay, reverse traction. All right. I'm really surprised it backed out of that without the winch. So do I want to go here? Or go a little straight and then hit the side and come around? I don't know. Can't really go back any farther. I just went to go hit the foot shifter. Whoops. Alrighty. Really slowly turn the tires. Yeah, these weeds have definitely gotten worse. Whatever this like sawgrass stuff is, there's no traction on it. You gotta avoid it kinda. Yeah, you just punch right through that sawgrass. It's no help. Uh-oh. It's sinking again. Come on, baby. You can definitely feel when it punches through. It drops like 2 feet. Absolutely no problem creeping the tires though. The belt smells good. See, I'm dragging that whole clump now. Golly, the farther you go, the heavier the machine gets. It's good to just put it in reverse and let the weeds kind of unspool themselves for a second. These tires get more reverse traction than an Outlaw, that's for sure. You see, if you lose your patience, you let it spin for a second, just whoop. Most people would say not to do a trail like this by yourself. You can see that sawgrass is just caught in my bumper now, and I gotta drag it around until I can get it down there and pull it out. Oh, nasty. Yeah, if the machine breaks down in a situation like this, you just leave it here. What can drag something out of here, you know? Maybe a Rubicon on portals. That's about the only thing. What's really holding me back here is there's just so much weeds caught in the frame. There's also cypress knees down here. I can't believe how well it backs up. See that weed I'm just dragging with me? I meant to put the tires on backwards. So I can get up there and mess around where it's higher ground, but I know that's just full of cypress knees, and that's how you break an axle. This is a great test for how well my belt is sealed. It's been under this whole time. Let's see if we can get to climb up on this bunch. It's just pulling the whole mat underneath the machine. This thing has the fly-by-wire throttle and the modulation's really good. All right, I'm gonna call it. It seems to be getting worse. We made it pretty far. I need to come back with another machine and try to get all the way through it. But I haven't busted a trail through here in a few years, and it's really grown in. Let's see if we can get out of here. Reverse and diff lock with this many weeds wrapped around your tires is a great test if your axles are broken, by the way. If you have a weak CV joint, you will find it in this sort of scenario. I haven't got off the quad yet, by the way. I've just been leaning a lot. Nice little pirouette. All right, let's see if we can make it back out the way we came in. We'll go to the same spot, because that'll help kind of tear a creek through here and get it flowing. Come on, baby. Find some traction. Find it. Good thing I'm wearing waders, tell you what. I can't even steer. There's so many weeds under the front of the machine. It's just steering itself. Let's go a little this way. Not too shabby, Mr. Can-Am. once that water gets momentum, it'll actually pull you through. Yeah, it's probably a good thing I turned around because the fuel light just came on. I forgot to fill it up on the way here. God! Yeah, that'll weigh you down a little bit, as they say. Time to go find some clean water and go forward and reverse to kind of get the clean out. I think this is where I washed it off last time. We'll see. Just drop straight off and whole bike disappears. It doesn't float too bad. It's pretty clean, but I can get a little better, so I can go a little deeper, at least rinse off the back rack, right? There we go. Yes. Nice and clean. Rinse off the seat.